Managing my money completely changed my life. In this video, I want to show you 3 things you can begin to do to change your finances. Number 1 thing is to create an effective financial plan. And to create an effective financial plan, you need to focus on 2 things. Number 1, you need to focus on the process. And then number 2, you need to focus on the person. Number 1 is the process of creating an effective financial plan, which includes getting your information, becoming self-aware. You need to know about yourself, as simple as your age, your medical, your values, your priorities, your vision, your purpose are required to have a financial plan unique to you. Do you understand? So this is one thing you need to sit down to analyze to have an effective financial plan. Then number 2 is a person. For the person, this is the missing link to having an effective financial plan, because the person here represents a body of knowledge of financial products and services. So this person helps you to realize your process. Don't forget, your process is all about your values. Every information about you and your goals, most especially your goals. Once you have a person, or you understand this person as a major factor to having an effective financial plan, then you understand why a lot of people find it difficult to achieve their financial goal. It's because they lack a body of knowledge. For this body of knowledge, it could be a financial planner. In most cases, a financial planner is the body of knowledge. So what happens in most cases is that people are able to come up with their goals, what they want to achieve. They know about their priorities. They understand the processes involved in having a financial plan, but they lack direction that comes from this body of knowledge. So I want to advise you that once you have a financial planning process in place, ensure that by the time you arrive at your financial plan, let somebody review it for you. Let the financial planner review it for you. So the financial planner here represents what? A body of knowledge of financial products and services to help you achieve your goals. So primarily, this is a financial planner. On another person that best fits a person of this body of knowledge could be your bank account officers. Your bank account officers also have knowledge of financial products and services that can help you achieve your goals. Bank account officers. And then the third person, you. The third person could be you. If you read the Lord, you have knowledge about financial products and services. Read the Lord, follow top financial content creators like me. You have friends who know a lot about financial products and services, who know about banking products and services, investment products and services. You begin to have knowledge about how you can connect the dots to arrive at your goal. Don't forget, financial planning is like setting destinations, things you want to achieve. Do you get it now? And having that process highlighted on paper or probably on tablet or whatever it is to you, you need a body of knowledge. Most of the times, the missing link to give you an insight to how to go about them. Do you understand? So you need a body of knowledge, you need a process, and you need the person, the body of knowledge to arrive at an effective financial plan. Don't forget, this is your goals. This is where you highlight every information unique to you and include a lot of factors. And then this body of knowledge help you to arrive at your destination. So the second important thing to do is the financial statement. Well, the financial statement is a subset of your financial plan. Your financial statement is under the big picture of your financial plan, because this is the quantitative information of your financial plan. In the financial planning process, you want to get a lot of information about yourself. You want to be self-aware. You want direction. You need guidance, right? But this financial statement focuses on the quantitative information about yourself. You have to know your numbers, what you earn, what you spend. But I'll give you two things to focus on in this area. You want to focus on the overall position, and you want to focus on your period of time. I will explain. Period of time. The overall position here means period, point in time, and then period of time here will be your financial efficiency. So in your financial statement, these two things are very important. These are two statements to understand this financial statement. So for the overall position, that is like a point in time. You want to know your position at a point in time. When you want to understand what your position looks like, we are talking about your net worth. So this quantitative information will give you your position at specific point in time to also help us understand your financial efficiency. Your financial efficiency, just like the person here, determine your process, determine how you gather insights and knowledge of financial products and services to achieve your process. The same way, your financial efficiency, which of course is your budget, how you are able to get an output from your income. Your financial efficiency looks at how you are able to generate an output from your input. That is how you are able to generate a savings, an output from your income, and that is what it measures. That focuses on a period of time, which is usually monthly. So are you able to generate something from your monthly income? Most of the times, in fact always, most people find themselves not generating a monthly output to build their overall position, and that is the problem. They live from paycheck to paycheck. They earn income without having a monthly output from that income that they earn. Do you understand? So that is the issue. Once they have a bad period of time, then their overall position, the point in time, end up looking not good. You can see the overall position as a snapshot. Do you get? And you can see this one as a filming, a video shoot. Do you get it now? So within a period of 1 month, which is like a video shoot, life is looking at you to see how you are able to manage that income to have an output. So if you don't have an output, then you can be sure that your overall position is going to look messy. You're not going to be smiling when you are taking the camera shot. This is your point in time position, and this is your period of time budgeting efficiency, how you are able to come out with an output after a period of time, which is usually monthly. If you want to do well financially, if you want to change your financial life, I would advise that you look into your budgeting to improve efficiency. Your budgeting then change the face of your position. It will increase your net worth. The more you improve in budgeting, the more your network improves, and that is what you want to improve on. Number 3 is your financial review. In the financial review, we are talking about having checks to track progress. Of course, you know that if you visit a laboratory now or a clinic, hospital now, they cannot do anything on you without diagnosing you, and that is your financial review. Financial review is what you do regularly to know if you are on track, to check and monitor your progress. So in financial review, you do ratio analysis to know if what you are doing is working, if what you are doing is working. Do you get it now? There is need for you to do monthly check. There is need for you to do regular check through ratio analysis. You cannot tell if something is working for you or against you if you are not running check. So in financial reviews, you are able to know if your current courses of action are working, and that is what you need to do to also change courses of action regularly. So there will always be need for you to rebalance your financial plan. If need be, there will always be need for you to change direction. Don't forget, the body of knowledge will always be needed in your financial planning process. There will always be need for you to rebalance your plan. Under guidance and direction, you may need to redirect, you may need to reroute if you notice that a course of action is not helping you. So in financial review, you want to know if you are borrowing too much. There are ratios that help you determine the financial leverage. If you are doing it too much, or if you are not even doing it enough, or if you are not doing it at all. You want to carry out a lot of checks to ensure that your financial health is strongly secured. Hope you understand everything I've shared. Let me do a quick summary to help you get the message perfectly. So your financial plan is where you set your goals and use body of knowledge of financial products and services. Somebody who has the knowledge of financial products and services to help you arrive at your goal. You can also see it like a journey to where you've never been to before, a journey you don't know your left from right. If you are going to go far, you are going to go with someone or a knowledge of where you are going to actually go far, and that is where the person, the body of knowledge comes in. And don't forget, I told you the body of knowledge can either be a financial planner or your bank account officer, and also it can also be you if you have acquired knowledge through different platforms, that through books, through tapes, through videos, through learning from other experts. And then you want to understand your financial statement, your position at a point in time, or your efficiency at a period of time. You want to understand your position and your efficiency to understand your financial statement. And then you want to carry out regular checks to know if what you are doing is working, if what you are doing at each period of time is working. Do you understand? I want you to subscribe on this channel if you want to see more of valuable videos that will help you become smart money manager. Hit the subscribe button now and tell a friend about this channel. Thank you.